Good thing I've got 9 lives.
You know, I moves more police acts that way.
3D दिसतंय का?
Not bad. Now let's see how you do with a barnyard delivery.
Things come to those who wait. That dog's about as sharp as a bag of hammers. Pay attention, son. I'm a rooster, not a dog.
Next stop is all the way in Tasmania. Oh boy.
What's up, dog? I'm telling you, the book says you don't eat rabbits. Maybe you need a nice juicy turkey surprise. Whatever,
You're behind schedule. This next delivery is to our most loyal customer, so don't mess this one up.
ते पॅकेट आहे की नाही 50 100 200 त्याच्या गोळ्या मारायच्या.
Okay, Acme delivery crew, you're now cleared to exit Earth's orbit.
किती स्कोर येतोय काय? माझा 40,000 आहे. क्या बात आहे. गोळ्या मारण्यात एक्सपर्ट आहे.
Dodgers.
Look, bud, there just ain't enough room for the two of us. Of course, you realize this means war.